This morning, I just decided to talk a little bit about watering and dirt. So, if you let your soil dry out too much, it can become hydrophobic. See if I can demonstrate that a little bit. I'm going to change the setting on my thing here to that. Yeah, that looks right. Okay, so we got a pile of dirt here. It's been drying out for a while. And I'm going to water it down like this. Now let's come over here and just do a little scratch test. You'll see that right below the surface is dry as a bone. Now this isn't too hydrophobic right now, but it can get there. And if you let your soil dry out too much, it'll get to the point where you can water for days on end and not have any water penetrate the soil whatsoever. These are my blueberry bushes. Give them a little bit of water. It rained a little bit a few days ago, so I don't have to go overboard with this. I just need to get a little water soaking into them here. Water around the outside so that any roots that have grown out can get some water. So that was pretty much it. I wanted to demonstrate some hydrophobic soil to you, express the importance of watering even in winter, maybe especially in winter, because we tend to forget about it when it's cold outside. And you'll notice I'm not spending a whole lot of time on this, just a little bit. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and close this video out here. I think I've shown you what I wanted to show you. And please subscribe, share with your friends. I'm trying to grow the channel. The more subscribers, the better. Leave comments. I read every comment. I don't reply to all of them, but I read all of them. So comment, subscribe, and if you like the video, do that too. Thanks a lot. Have a good day. Hey guys, how you doing this morning? It's the good dog.